Well, good morning, folks. We are coming at you from Oregon City here. We're gonna do a fun ride today. We're gonna check a couple things off the list. I've always wanted to do the Canby Ferry and Abiqua Falls, so we're gonna go ahead and kill two birds with one stone. Freaking gorgeous out here. These little de-icer lines certainly make you aware that it could be slick out here, but it's probably old de-icer, I think. I mean, the road is a little glistening too, you know, so there's that. Oh, little squirrel. Well, it says the ferry's closed. I don't know if it actually opens or not. Well, there's a truck down there, so that's a good start. I guess we'll well, it's 8:53 right now. We will wait until 9 to see if there's any activity, and then if there's not, we'll dip out of here. Whoa, what in the world is that thing connected to the boat? That's weird. That's a trip. Never seen that before. This like an electric boat or something? Huh. You see that thing up there? It's like tethered to the boat. Very interesting. That's cute. Hey, good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Good. We are open for business. Hello.
Hey.
First.
Beautiful morning.
Hell yeah, dude. First time on the ferry.
Is it?
Yeah. Good time for it.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, this is awesome. What the hell is this contraption up here?
So, that's where we get our electricity from. So it's electric over.
Okay, that's what I figured.
So the two props we have here that run us
Yeah.
are hydraulic, or electric over hydraulic. And then we need the hydraulics for the lift gates.
Cool.
But yeah, it's pretty sustaining, nice.
What's the top speed on this sucker?
Not fast. I don't know. It's not that fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun though.
How-
Especially when the weather's nice. Get gorgeous sunsets.
Oh, I bet. Here's
I
get.
work in the $3. Like, I mean, just,
Did I give you 4?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you're so honest.
yeah.
What if I wanted to tip you?
No, it's all right.
Oh, okay.
I appreciate it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually work in the road department, and I'm a relief guy, so I come out here when they need help. So
Cool.
I love coming out.
For blue heron, sweet.
Yeah.
You probably get those all the time.
Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. We have an eagle that comes around too, hangs out over here. I can't find his tree, kind of goes over these ones on the river.
Sweet.
He's always out hunting. We got mergansers, we got all kinds of stuff. So,
Awesome.
yeah.
What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan, nice to meet you. My name's Ed.
Ed?
Yep.
Right on.
Yeah.
Right on. Out for a ride.
Yeah. I'm gonna go down to Abiqua Falls and hike down to the falls there, and then
Yeah.
and then just do a loop back up.
Yeah. That's a cool area.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool. Well, have a good one. Be safe.
Thank you. Don't know what's going on there, but sounds kind of cool. So this thing's all electric. Very interesting. Super freaking cool, man. The CRF is fording the river. Not the first time on the ferry, but first time on the Canby Ferry. $3, that's a real nice value. Man, that is just coming in smooth.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we're off. Hee-hee! Says dead end here, but we'll see where this is taking me. I'm using Ride with GPS. It's a bicycling app, and cyclists make these really cool routes, and it's super neat to use it because it just gets a little crazy sometimes. But the thing is, you get into situations where you shouldn't be on a motorcycle whether it's pedestrian or bike paths or whatever. These bicyclists get pretty creative sometimes, you know, so we'll see if it's actually a dead end or not. Man. Oh! Oh. Okay, time to reroute. Rerouting. Get a little gas stop here in Mount Angel. I had about half a tank, but I don't want to risk it. We'll just top off here and call her good. Oh shit. That place took a freaking beating. God damn. Wow. I've heard of a Gallon House before, but I did not know that there was a Gallon House historic covered bridge here. So this is kind of a surprise. Hey, pretty sweet. 1916, the bridge was built. Oldest operational covered bridge in service. Wow. How cool is that? Wow, this bridge is so freaking cool. I have heard that there are man-eating llamas in this part of the Abiqua. Oh shit, here they are. Look at this little chocolate, sexy little llama right here. Look at this guy. Hey buddy. Are you gonna eat me? He's real cute. I love my Livy so much! Okay, now this is saying that there's another dead end up here. Wonderful. Not quite sure what the scoop is over here. Well, folks. Whoa! Okay, well that got really slick, so I'm not too sure about this. I'm just gonna take it nice and slow. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Slickery dickory dock. Okay, I think I'm going the right way. What does this say? Like, no access to Abiqua Falls. No gas, private gated road. Shit. God damn it. Okay, I think I found a way through. If I just come back down around here, I can connect back into this blue road. And then that's technically the way back on this route. But I could just go up and then double back. So we'll see if this actually works or not. Who knows? It's definitely a freaking adventure. I just don't want to get shot on someone's freaking private property out here. Hello, Moo. I don't want to jinx myself, but I think this is actually the right road. We made it to the Abiqua Falls trailhead, and I was just told that there's no way you can get a bike down here. In fact, you gotta use some ropes to even get down the trail. It's pretty steep down here, so we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. There's no way in hell I'm walking down there. that is straight down. I know this is not for the faint of heart, but unless I'm on the wrong path, not doing that. And that is also like straight up with sheer cliffs, so no thank you. So I don't know what's me and dead ends today, but that wasn't the way. A nice fellow hiker told me the way to go. Be extremely cautious and exercise extreme care. Okay, you know it's starting to get sketchy when they have ropes coming down the trail here. Look at this lake. Made it to the bottom. Gorgeous down here. Looks like I still need to walk down river a ways in order to actually see the falls, but hey, at least I didn't fall trying the other route. That would have been stupid. Dummy. Just gotta take a walk along the creek side here. I can hear the falls pounding, so I think they're just right up around this corner up here. Oh yeah. Okay, that's a wrap. Time to scale this freaking cliff, get back on the bike, and go check some cool stuff out. Let's do it. Ooh, fine. More ropes. Oh man, that's much easier coming down. Who needs a gym? Or you can just do ropes courses and you pick up your motorcycle 30 times.